Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. We are at the top of a building and we're up here because this is like common area, and just listen to that wind. This is what it sounds like in the hallway. And it's coming through here, coming through there. Okay, so this is the door here. So what we're doing is we're upgrading it to a security key, and then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be changing the actual lock function, because as it is at the moment, you use the key to unlock it and then you have to use the key again and relock it. But the problem is nobody ever does that, and on a common property it's standard that things self-lock. So I'll show you what I mean here. So you turn the key 180, the lock's open. That's going to remain open until somebody comes back with the key and turns it 180 degrees the next way. So we're going to change that function. I'm going to show you how to do it, but for now let's have a look at the view. It's one of the joys of going different places every day, and you can feel that pressure on that door. Look at that. I've just opened that and that door closer is nowhere near good enough. That pressure is just too strong. On a calm day you probably get away with it, but on a real windy day that's just going to take the door, go bang, break something, and eventually it might close if the wind stops. Yeah, probably would like to go a little bit stronger on that door closer. Okay, so let's have a look. Okay, downtown Parramatta. I've seen half of those buildings pop up. Moving along over there, you got Homebush Bay. That's where the Opal Tower is, the one that they had to rebuild after building it. Down there you can see Harbour Bridge, straight ahead. Almost see Centrepoint. That big tall blue building there is Kerry Packer's new building. And that's about all there is to report here. And the Blue Mountains is that way. Okay, so let's have a look at this now. Let's take this lock out. Just get you in focus here so we can see what we're doing. Alright, so first things first, we have to swap this cylinder and swap this function. Let's do that. This is a Carver MS2 lock, and I found out this is the same specs as the Ton short back mortise lock. Okay, I can tell it's a Carver because it's blue. See if I can dig that. There we go. Yep. Pretty windy day, so I hope the sound comes out alright. Don't. Oh no! It had to, didn't it? It just had to go down there. Okay, that's going to be fun to get out. I wonder if this drain's removable. Of course not. I'll have to get something to dig that out in a minute. I'll have to get a magnetic screwdriver and get that out. Alright, so let's go back to this position so you can see. So I'm going to take my cylinder out if I can find the key. There's a key. Come out. Okay, so for this lock here, this is the cylinder and this is the cam on the back. I'm not sure you can see. Okay, and what's happening here is with this particular cam on the back, it goes through and it rotates. This little Z knocks the locking bar, and what that does is lock and unlock the handles from the outside. So what we want to do is we want to put in the lock position. That's the unlock position. So I'm going to slide that back in there. Well, actually I don't need to, I can just use a screwdriver. Get on the top. And I'm just going to simulate what that would do, and I'll just move this down. So now the outside handle is locked. So that's pretty critical, because the people who use these type of areas never relock it. Anything common property has to be automatically locking, otherwise people are just going to leave it open, and that defeats the purpose of the lock. So with this cylinder here, it's got the X on it. What that means is it's going to go through and pull the latch back, but it's not going to undo the outside handle. So let me show you that. So by changing that one little part, it's going to change how this lock actually operates. So put my cylinder in, put that in. Can only put one screw on for the moment because, lucky me, it had to be a drain there. Lucky me, it had to fall in. That's a plane going past. Okay, so now, locked from the outside, unlocked from the inside. When I turn my key, rotate it, it's going to pull the latch back. Then I take my key out, the handle still remains locked. So that's the difference in the cams. So that's what we call a Z cam, and the one I used there is what we call an X cam. So you put the lock in lock position and it will pull the lock back only and keep that locked. So now when somebody comes up to use this, leave it the key in. Just simulate it. They put their key in like this, they turn it, they push the door, it's a bit close, and then they come through. From the inside it's always free because it's an exit, there's an exit there. And then from this side, when the door finally closes, it's automatically closed, so it's not going to allow other people in. Okay, so that's just a quick on the job video. Leave your comments down below, and that's about it. It's a nice quick one. Look at the view. There we go, there we go. And the drain that stole my screw. Now I have to go back down to the van and find another one. Oh well, joys of being a locksmith. At least we get to go to different places. At least the view is pretty cool. Okay, thanks for watching.